Let's build the logic and automation for our app by creating a decision table. The decision table will determine the correct regional head to route travel requests to based on an employee's location. In the Logic and Automation section, select Add. We select Decision to add a decision table to the application. Then select Create New Decision Table. Let's start by entering a name for the decision table and select the option to make the table accessible from this application scope only. Then select Create and Continue. On the Decision Builder page, we want to add an input. For type, we select Reference and choose the travel request table that we created earlier. We also enter a label for the input. Next, we'll add a condition column. Enter a label for the condition column label. And for input, select the input that we created. Select the option to evaluate data from a field. Then for field, we'll select the path opened by, and then country code. For default operator, select is one of. Then select Done. Now we want to select the countries that report to this regional head. In this case, we select Brazil and the United States. Next, we need to set up the result column that assigns travel requests to the appropriate regional head based on their location. Enter a label for the result column and select the result type reference. Then select the user table. We then select the correct regional head user from the list whom we want to receive travel request approvals. This is the first decision in our decision table. We can add more conditions and results as needed. We can add another region of countries that require a different regional head's approval and a third, if necessary, by repeating the same steps. We now have 3 sets of decisions, which correspond to the different regional heads that travel requests are assigned to. When the decision table is complete, we save our work. We navigate back to our application page, homepage, by selecting the home icon. Then we select our travel request application and verify that the decision table appears in the Logic and Automation section. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.